thing I wanted to talk to you about before we plant out is how corn's pollination works. Now, corn is generally thought of as a wind pollinated plant, and you can hand pollinate, and I'll talk about that later too, but in nature, corn is pollinated by the wind. So that's why in part 1 I recommended planting at least 9 seedlings so you can get a block of 3 by 3 and help with wind pollination. And what that means also is if you want to grow more than one variety of corn, there's a high likelihood that they'll cross-pollinate in a standard backyard. And unlike with other plants like say tomatoes or chilies, if they cross-pollinate, you probably won't even know the difference. So with a tomato, if it's been cross-pollinated, the fruit will still look like the fruit that it's meant to be on that plant. So if a purple Cherokee, even if it's cross-pollinated with a sweetie, will still look like a purple Cherokee and taste the same. But the seeds inside will be a hybrid seed, but you won't be able to tell the difference because we're mostly eating it for the fruit. And the seeds are just tomato seeds. Corn, on the other hand, we eat corn for the seeds themselves. So we're eating the corn cob or the kernel, and that's the seeds of the corn. So if corn is cross-pollinated with another variety that's planted close by, you're actually going to get kernels that aren't true to type. So if you planted a sweet corn next to a glass gem corn, you might get pollination, and both of them will be hybrids. So it won't taste like a sweet corn, and it won't look like a glass gem corn. Both will be some murky in between, and so you won't get the best characteristics that you're looking for from both of them.